Welcome to the Easy Art Time. Let's play together. 3, 2, 1. Start. I guide you step by step. So, grab your pencils and markers and let's get drawing together.
Let's start drawing once again. Lines and circles, shapes so bright. Easy art time makes it right. Easy art time, sing along. Drawing pictures all day long. Cats and dogs and stars above. Easy art time is filled with love. Make a rainbow, make a tree. Anything you want can be. With some colors, big and small. At Easy Art Time we draw them all. Easy Art Time, sing along. Drawing pictures all day long. Smiles and laughter, brush in hand. Art is magic, isn't it grand? Red and yellow, blue and green, the brightest colors you've ever seen. Purple, orange, pink and gold. At Easy Art Time the stories are told. Easy Art Time, sing along. Drawing pictures all day long. Cats and dogs and stars above. Easy Art Time is filled with love. A happy sun, a smiling moon. Let's keep drawing all afternoon. Every picture, big or small, at Easy Art Time is filled with love.
Easy Art Time, sing along. Drawing pictures all day long. Rainbows shining up above.
Easy Art Time is filled with love. Great job, little artists. Thanks for drawing with us at Easy Art Time. See you next time. Hey friends, welcome to Easy Art Time. Grab your crayons and let's draw again. Grab your crayons.
Remember, you can choose any colors you like. Make it your own.
Lines and circles, shapes so bright. Easy Art Time makes it right. Easy Art Time, sing along. Drawing pictures all day long. Cats and dogs and stars above. Easy Art Time is filled with love.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss out on new adorable drawings. If you enjoyed drawing with me today, please give this video a big thumbs up. Your support means so much and helps me create more fun and easy tutorials.
Cats and dogs and stars above. Easy Art Time is filled